Hello, and welcome to this week's guided meditation. Today we are moving through the fire to the center of our becoming. Wherever you are, close your eyes. Let your breath soften. Let the world fall away for just a moment. Begin to feel the weight of your body, the sacred vessel that carries your light through this human life. Feel the earth beneath you, steady, patient, ancient. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold at the top. And exhale out through your mouth. With each inhale, imagine drawing golden light up from the core of the earth. And with each exhale, release what's heavy, what's ready to be burned away. Your body is the altar, your breath the offering, your presence the prayer. Now bring your awareness to the base of your spine. Imagine roots extending deep into the ground, red, glowing, pulsing with life. With every breath, feel safety rise up through those roots, anchoring you into the knowing that you are held. Breathe this energy up your spine, through your hips, your belly, your heart, your throat. Let it reach your crown and pour out like light through the top of your head. You are grounded. You are present. You are ready to journey. Imagine you're standing before a vast golden desert. The air is warm, humming with energy. The horizon glows with a soft, otherworldly light. Ahead of you stands an ancient gate made of flame. It flickers, but does not consume. You can feel its heat against your skin. It's alive, pulsing with power, whispering, "Come closer." This is the fire of transformation, the threshold between what was and what will be. Take a step forward. Feel your bare feet touch the sand. The air shifts. You can smell cedar and sage and something sweet, maybe jasmine or honey. With each step, breathe deeper. With each step, whisper to yourself, "I am safe in this becoming. I am safe in this fire. As you reach the flames, you pause. You can feel your heart racing, a primal resistance. Your mind might say, turn back, but your soul knows this is the way through. When you're ready, take a breath and step in. The fire surrounds you. It tingles and hums and sings your name. It doesn't burn your skin. It burns your illusions. Every thought of unworthiness, every outdated role, every fear of being too much or not enough. They begin to dissolve into the golden smoke. You can see them, faces, memories, words, lifting and evaporating into light. Whisper gently, I release what no longer serves me. I surrender who I was to make space for who I am becoming. Let the fire do its work. Breathe, trust, allow. The flames begin to quiet. You find yourself in the center of the fire, but it's no longer fire. It's light, golden, radiant, soft. You sit down, cross-legged, in this glowing space. Everything is silent except your breath. You feel the pulse of your heartbeat in your chest, steady and alive. Here, in this place, you are not trying to heal. You are not fixing or achieving or striving. You are simply being witnessed by the divine. Place your hand on your heart and whisper softly, I am here. I am ready to receive. Now imagine a gentle breeze swirling around you, cool, soothing, carrying whispers from beyond the veil. One by one, 12 luminous figures emerge from the light, the goddesses of transformation. They are ancient and infinite, each embodying love in a different form, grace, courage, creativity, compassion, truth. They circle around you, humming softly. Their song vibrates through your chest with sacred remembering. You can feel them saying, Yes, you are one of us. You were never alone in your fire. Stay here in the glow. Let the song work on you. Let it feel the empty places, soothe the aches, rewrite the stories. We will sit here in silence for a while, for you to receive your own message, your own vision, your own truth. When words or visions arise, trust them. If nothing comes, trust that too. The stillness is speaking. As the song fades, the light shifts again. It becomes dawn. A cool wind brushes against your skin. You look down. The ashes from your old self have turned to gold dust around you. You can see them glimmering in your palms, resting on your chest, woven into your hair. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, imagine blowing those ashes into the sky. They rise like golden embers, pieces of you released, transformed, now part of the cosmos. Now place both hands on your solar plexus, just below your rib cage. This is the center of your will, your power, your sovereignty. Breathe golden light into that space. Imagine your inner flame rekindling, steady and sovereign. Whisper, I reclaim my power. I walk as the light I have become. I am free. Stand in your vision now. See yourself stepping from the fire, glowing, renewed. You can feel the ground beneath your feet, the cool air on your face, and deep within your chest, a calm, unwavering peace. This is what rebirth feels like. Quiet, certain, alive. Before we return, let's anchor the energy into your body. Take one more deep breath in. Hold. And exhale slowly, letting the energy settle into your bones. Bring your attention to the crown of your head. Feel a thread of golden light connecting you to the divine above. Then bring awareness to your feet. Feel another thread connecting you to the earth below. You are the bridge, heaven and earth, spirit and form, infinite and human. Now whisper to yourself or write it down if you're journaling after this. What have I shed? What truths remain? How can I honor the being I am becoming? When you're ready, place your hands over your heart once more. Breathe in gratitude for your courage, for showing up, for saying yes to the fire. The goddesses step back now, smiling, their forms turning to light once more. They whisper as they fade, "We are with you always." Feel your body again, your weight, your breath, the air around you. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Notice the sensations, the texture of your clothes, the rhythm of your heartbeat, the aliveness of your being. You have walked through fire and emerged golden. You are the alchemy. You are the miracle. Take one final breath together with me. Inhale the light of who you are. Exhale everything else. And when you open your eyes, do so with reverence for this world, your body, and for the journey that is far from over. Because the fire wasn't the end. It was the beginning of your becoming. Namaste.